to obtain shadow and opaque object to block the path of light.
Right. Basically we need source of light. तो natural source क्या है? Sun. And a screen to obtain the shadow, right? And an object to obstruct the path of the light. In nature, have you ever seen this process of shadow or any natural phenomena you can recall? Which one? Eclipses. Yes, very good. So we will do an eclipse. See how shadows are formed and how shadow can cast the eclipses. How can they form the eclipses? So at the diagram you can show whenever the moon during its revolution around the earth comes in between the earth and the sun, it casts its shadow on the earth. That means it obstructs the path of the light of the sunlight, and that part of the earth will not see the sun. So that is known as the solar eclipse. Okay, let's show you with the help of a chart here. Normally what happens, whenever the moon is on the end of the side, one side of the earth during its revolution, the earth receives the sunlight. So its sun is visible to that part of the earth which is facing the sun. But what happens during its revolution? Okay, so now we can see the moon is in between the earth and the sunlight. Now what happens is that the light of the sun is not reaching some part of the earth, and that part is under the shadow of moon. So that part of the earth will not receive the sunlight. So we will see what we will say. We will say that is there is now solar eclipse. This is just a simple game of what? क्या हो रहा है? What is the natural process? Is the formation of shadows, light and shadows. Okay. So this is the natural phenomena that we can see in our nature. Eclipses, how they occur. What is the another eclipse we see? Lunar eclipse. What happens during lunar eclipse? What comes in between? Earth. And what will happen? We will not be able to see the moon. Then what will be happen? The light of moon will not reach the earth, and it is going to be lunar eclipse.